of the project. AFDA will also
see this is the first signing. We'll also
Bonjour said that back during the revolution.
His remarks. Thank you.
Project is to connect to the
And supporting Kenya Power to work. We did say in our Kenya
continue to be a strategic sector for AFD.
We are firmly on course to achieving 100% connectivity by 2030. As I speak, we are working on a similar connectivity program worth 22 billion in partnership with AFD and the Kingdom of Saudi to connect another 270,000 Kenyans to electricity.
And today, we sit amongst the leading African countries at 75% access to power, customers being connected without a payment, and yet we are able to recover all that cost.